The SkySails Performance Manager has been created to offer information for your decision-making process on board. The Weather ETA view in SkyPM offers, in conjunction with Wetterwelt Meteopilot, a forecast for weather impact on ship performance. This video tutorial will enable you to optimize voyages according to weather conditions with the Report Manager. Two strategies are supported in SkyPM. Constant engine load. For a given engine load, weather impact on ship speed and arrival time is calculated. Fixed arrival time. For a set arrival time, a speed baseline and weather impacts during voyage are calculated. In order to use the weather estimated arrival time function, some prerequisites have to be met. Wetterwelt Meteopilot has to be installed and configured in software version 3.9 or higher. The SkySails Performance Manager in version 3.4.3 or higher has to be installed and configured on board. This includes the minimum and maximum travel speed of your vessel. A route has to be loaded in Wetterwelt Meteopilot as well as up-to-date weather information. More information and documentation on Wetterwelt Meteopilot is available in the documentation from Wetterwelt, which is also included in the SkyPM Report Manager binder. Documentation is also available in the reference guide in the Meteopilot software. Video tutorials can be found at the Wetterwelt website. Furthermore, the weather ETA settings in SkyPM have to be configured accordingly. A detailed instruction can be found in the manual or the quick guide Meteopilot. Let's take a look at the SkyPM Report Manager. The weather ETA view in SkyPM is part of the live data view. Go to Weather ETA. The diagram in the middle shows a weather impact forecast plot for either a fixed arrival time or a constant engine load. Two different strategies are available: constant engine load and fixed arrival time. Constant engine load. An ETA forecast for a given engine load is calculated. The weather impact on the ship speed is displayed. Fixed arrival time. A speed baseline for a given arrival time is calculated. The weather impact on the ship speed is displayed. To sail with a constant engine load, please enter the speed baseline. The Report Manager uses the term speed baseline to describe the engine load in calm sea. Speed baseline is the ship's speed over ground at constant engine load in calm sea. Confirm your choice with Apply. The program will calculate a forecast for your arrival time for the given speed baseline. The program will also calculate the weather impact on the ship's speed and display it in a diagram. If you have a date and time when the ship has to be at a specific point, choose Fixed Arrival Time. Enter the required time of arrival and confirm. The program will then calculate the forecast for a speed baseline for the voyage under consideration of weather impacts on your ship. The results will also be displayed in the diagram. Let's try these settings in the Report Manager. Now, click on Constant Engine Load. Enter speed baseline for the ship's desired speed in calm sea. Click on Apply. The program will then calculate the weather impact for your voyage and will calculate an estimated time of arrival. Click on Fixed Arrival Time. Enter the required time of arrival. Note that the time is in UTC. Confirm with Apply. A graph is displayed showing the speed baseline and the weather impact. In the graph, you will see the speed baseline and the currently required ETA speed of the ship. The ETA shown on the right side below the port can be compared to required time of arrival, set on the lower right side. If the required time of arrival cannot be matched with the ship's maximum speed as stated in the settings, the ETA based on weather impact will be shown red. You have now learned how to use different settings in the Weather ETA tab in the Report Manager to help you choose an optimal travel speed and route for your voyage. You have learned to use the Constant Engine Load setting. It will give you forecast for the weather impact and the arrival time for a given engine load. SkySails has created a series of quick guides and other video tutorials for the SkySails Report Manager. You will also find helpful information in the SkySails Report Manager manual. This concludes the video tutorial. Please feel free to rewind or take pauses at any time during the video.